Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the hoops error when Battle.net is scanning Warzone. Let's start by doing some quick network cleanup on your computer. This helps clear out any connection issues that might be causing the problem. First, open the Start menu on your Windows computer. Type CMD into the search bar. When you see Command Prompt, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. A black window will open. Now, type this command, epconfig/flushdns. Then press Enter. You should see a message that says the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. This clears out old DNS data that might be causing trouble. Next, type the following command, netsh-winsock reset, and press Enter again. You'll see a message that says the winsock catalog has been reset. After this, you need to restart your computer, so go ahead and do that now. Once your computer restarts, we're going to delete some local Warzone files. Don't worry, we'll keep the important ones. Open File Explorer and go to the folder where Warzone is installed. Inside the Warzone folder, look for a folder called Data. This one is important. Do not delete the Data folder. Select everything else inside the Warzone folder except for the Data folder and delete them. Now, open the Battle.net app. Go to your Warzone game in the library. Then click on Scan and Repair. This will start checking your game files. It may take a few minutes. Battle.net will fix any missing or broken files automatically. That's it. Thanks for watching.